40 ml.
Is that 40 ml?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we have to
Take the book into your hands and read.
add 5 drops of red pigment and mix well. Red 5 drops now.
Count properly.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now mix. The red pigment's not getting gone. It's just a little spoonful each of 6 reaches to place in the volcano bottle. Here, which one? Spoonful of citric acid and baking soda. What is the baking soda?
Slow. Hold it properly. Put it down.
Oh, I can.
Open it. Open it.
It has to be full. Here's a cover.
Take it out.
Another one. Full. Full
Yes, good. Yashish.
into volcano. Okay, it's in the volcano.
What next?
Next, now we have to add the citric acid. Let's just put this aside. Let's open it. It's both. I can't. It's hard to read. Now pour it. Now do this. And pour it in the volcano. I take this out.
Slowగా కొంచెం పోయి.
What happened? I would have taken a video.
చాలు చాలురా.
Look what happened.